Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix the folder access restriction for the OBB and data folders. Right, so guys, you probably have seen on many of these, for example, Chinese phones, that they have a built-in file applications, just the one that I'm in right now. And as you can see, it has a different access to different files and stuff like that. Alright guys, so this is just a regular file management app. It's very basic, and it also has these restrictions that we're talking about. So if you want to install some games, for example, and you need data to your Android data folder, for example, as you can see, I have no access to it. Or you need OBB access to this folder, you don't have it. So as you can see, in my case, I'm using a Xiaomi phone. If I press on open, it will open this folder with full access in a different app called Storage Access Framework. So if I press open, let us do that. And as you can see, if I go into back into my phone, so this is just the storage. So if I go to the Android and I go to OBB again, as you can see, there's no items because there's literally no items here. It's not because I have no access to it. But if I go to the Android, for example, so to data, as you can see, all of the stuff in here is available for me to see, and I can actually enter any of these folders and modify them easily. But guys, if you can't do this, if you do not have this Access Framework application on your phone, let me give you one more alternative. Right guys, so you just search for material files on Google Play Store. This is the application that allows you to do the same thing. So just open it, and as you can see in here, you have also Android folder, and with this application you can do the same thing. If you don't have a Access Framework app like I do on my phone, you can just use this application and it will give you the access to the folders that you're basically requiring. And this is basically concludes our tutorial. Guys, hopefully this helps. If it did, press like on the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.